Hi, in this video, let me show you how you can reset your HP laptop without having to type any password. Maybe you have forgot the password, you want to reset the computer. So what should you do? I'll show you two different things, okay? At this point, once you're on this password page, you see there's a power button here. Before pressing that power button, press the shift button on the keyboard. Click the power button and click on restart. Keep this shift button pressed until the screen goes black. Then you can release it. The computer will not boot up the normal way. It will go into recovery mode. If you didn't have this option, or maybe, okay, it doesn't go in recovery mode, let me show you a second way on how you can have access to these options. The second way is to turn off the computer. So I'll click this button, I'll press shut down this time without pressing any shift button. Wait a few seconds until you cannot hear the fan of your laptop. This will mean that it's completely shut down. And now you're gonna press the power button. Mine is over here, but maybe yours on your HP computer will be on the right side. Press the power button and then keep pressing many times the F11 button on your keyboard. Press it until you see recovery mode, the blue screen. Okay, I think it's coming. Here we go. Now I can stop smashing that button. So this is the two ways to have access to this menu. Select troubleshoot, reset this PC. And now you have two options. Keep my files and remove everything. If you want to do a full reset, and this is what I guess you want to do, you're going to click remove everything. If you want to do a reset but keep your personal files, you have this option. Unfortunately, by experience, I'm telling you that it doesn't always work. So this is just something you need to keep in mind. Most people will select to remove absolutely everything. The HP computer will be like a brand new one if you click this. And here I suggest you select cloud download. As it says here, download and reinstall Windows. It will use Wi-Fi to do this, obviously, so make sure you were connected. If not, you also have the option to do a local reinstall. If you have a BitLocker, okay, it looks like this. I have put a screenshot over here. You'll have to go in the website that is written on that page, enter the code that you see on that BitLocker page on the web page. So use another device to do this, maybe your phone. It will give you a code that you'll have to type right on the top, and then you'll be able to complete the reset. Otherwise, thanks for watching. I hope this was useful. Please leave a like, comment down below, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.